One of the most impactful open-source AI tools for developers in 2026 is OpenClaw, originally known as Claudabot. This free project distinguishes itself by moving beyond simple chat to taking autonomous real-world actions 24/7. It functions as a persistent, memory-aware assistant that can communicate via platforms like Telegram or WhatsApp to automate complex workflows. Its rapid adoption is evidenced by surpassing 65,000 GitHub stars in a short time frame, and even influencing hardware demand. However, its initial name similarity to Anthropic's Claude model led to a legal challenge, resulting in its official rebranding to OpenClaw. Developed by Peter Steinberger, founder of PSDFKIT, OpenClaw is a TypeScript-based tool that orchestrates AI models like Claude and GPT-5. It is designed to run continuously on self-hosted infrastructure, from a VPS to a Raspberry Pi, handling tasks like calendar management, email processing, script execution, and data monitoring without requiring a recurring subscription. 1. Installation and initial setup. The installation is streamlined to a single command, with Linux being the optimal environment. Post-installation, the OpenClaw command initiates an onboarding process. This includes a critical review of security documentation, followed by connecting an AI model provider. While a paid API like Anthropic's is used in this demo, free, open-source models are fully compatible. 2. Configuring communication and skills. The next step integrates a messaging platform for interaction. Telegram is configured here via the botfather to generate a secure access token. The core power of OpenClaw lies in its modular skills. Users can select from built-in capabilities or import custom ones from a community repository, previously called MultHub, to define the assistant's functions. 3. Advanced configuration with hooks. 4. Persistent and context-aware operations. OpenClaw utilizes hooks. These allow the system to retain memory across sessions and trigger automated follow-up actions based on specific events, enabling complex, stateful workflows. 4. Operational dashboard and activation. Setup culminates in a web-based dashboard for management and configuration. To activate the Telegram interface, a unique pairing code from the bot is validated via terminal. Once paired, the assistant is live, and its personality can be refined through direct chat instructions. 5. Building automations. The true utility is demonstrated by creating automations through natural language. For example, a user can instruct OpenClaw to monitor a specific stock. The tool will not only fetch the current data, but will continue to track it autonomously, sending alerts for significant price movements directly to Telegram. The potential extends far beyond this example, with skills available for tasks like generating technical interview questions, deploying code, and countless other custom automation.